So my name is Kate Kirwin and I'm the founder and organiser of Perth Web Girls, which is a free coding workshop for women that we run here in Perth and across WA. So today, this weekend, we've got about 100 people in the basement today, and we've got another 150 tomorrow, Sunday, going through beginner level Python, Django, HTML, CSS, WordPress and iOS tutorials, trying to get more women into tech. The number of women in tech globally is about 25% of the total workforce, and we're trying to empower women into getting into that industry by organising free workshops in a safe environment full of supportive people and mentors to try and get them on that career path and learn a new skill.
I never had the chance to talk to any women in tech when I grew up, and had to do a lot of my learning by myself, so this is a fantastic space and I'm super excited to be here mentoring today.
Perth Web Girls is important to me and BHP through our sponsorship, because we've noticed that while there's a big push in STEM for women in STEM qualified roles, the computer or the technology piece of that has declined over year on year, and we don't have a lot of female developers in our teams.
So today I've learned that Python's really useful in robotics, because there's a lot of people with expertise around here who've been able to sort of direct my query.
And I think it's also great for me to be able to share with these other girls who think that maybe they're not capable of doing that someone who 3 years ago was working for FMG as an engineer now is running their own web development business very successfully. So
I think Perth Web Girls is an absolutely fantastic forum for not only women just to understand technology and maybe just explore website design, but for those emerging and looking to come into the industry, being involved and actually getting them at the forefront where we can give them that advice and guidance and help them on their career journey.